We are Vanessa,
I'm Victoria,
and we are going to talk about the Industrial Revolution
and how it makes our lives easier and better.
Industrial Revolution. It began in Great Britain in the years 1760 to 1770. It was a change of an economy based on farming and handcrafts to an economy based on manufactured goods. Basically, it was a change from farming to factories and technology. It period in which fundamental changes occurred in agriculture, manufacture, transportation, economy, and social classes in England. This period is labeled revolution because it destroyed the old way of doing things. Improvements in the iron industry came in the early 18th century. Mining improved in tunnel ventilation, underground and surface transportation, the use of gunpowder and tunnel illumination, through the use of safety lamps. The development of steam power was the greatest achievement of the Industrial Revolution. Industries needed to apply power produced by the steam engine to continue production. James Watt invented the steam engine.
Great Britain now has a lot of money, and now it can invest in new industries and machines for workers.
Then, the Enclosure Act was created. What was once common land was now privately owned. That made many people move to towns and work in factories.
Great Britain had a lot of good natural resources. They had water power, steam engine, gold deposits, and iron ore.
Vast colonies' holdings provide money in markets to sell new products, and this caused the lowering of transportation cost. The goods were cheaper. Larger markets were created, and this caused the growth of economy. Entrepreneurs are people who organizes and operates a business, taking on financial risks in order to make a profit.
Factory workers were once farmers probably. They used to work a lot of hours with periods of inactivity. They weren't used to work daily, and this created a work of discipline.
There were so many people looking for jobs that shift working was created. It was basically people taking turns in the same factory. Discipline was created to have order in factories. This consists in for being late, fired for serious infractions, like coming drunk to work.
The industrial middle class were the factory owners, and that led to capitalism, which were that money and land were privately owned.
Because of this new creations, Great Britain was the richest nation and first to industrialize. This idea spread through Europe. New innovations were created. One of them was transportation. People were organized, and it was easier and cheaper to transport goods to one place to another. Important people involved in this innovation were capitalists who invested in engineers that built bridges. George Stephenson created the steam locomotive, and Robert Fulton created the steam locomotive for ships. Electricity was another innovation. Light was created, and this way, people could work until late at night. Important people that were involved in this innovation were Alessandro Volta, who invented the battery, Michael Faraday, who invented the electric motor, and Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb. Communication was another important innovation at this time. The world could communicate faster because of the telegraph, telephone, radio, and Morse machine. Underwater cables were also created to communicate between Europe and America. Important people who were involved were Samuel Morse, Alexander Graham Bell, and Guglielmo Marconi. Technology advances, new ways of doing things are created, medicine advances, and more jobs are available. If we didn't have an industrialization, how would the world be now? It has made our lives better, and it will make it even better. All of this will happen because of the Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution made our lives easier because we can now travel faster, new communication methods were created, more jobs are available because of the demand of all the new products in the market.
People work really hard to improve their business, and that is how industrialization is better for us.